Gardaí investigating the disappearance and murders of Jojo Dullard and Deirdre Jacob are today starting a search operation in Wicklow. This is near the Wicklow-Kildare border. Let's get more on this now with Stephen Breen, crime editor with the Irish Sun. Stephen, thanks for taking our call this morning. So the search has already begun, has it?
Yeah, that's right, Claire. So Gardaí took control of an area of open ground on the Kildare-Wicklow border. It's believed to be a quarry or a sandpit type area that's close to the Kildare-Wicklow border and also near Baltinglass. So it's just the latest search as a result of an ongoing investigation into the disappearance and murders of Jojo Dullard and Deirdre Jacob, and we understand that Gardaí are acting on information that they have received. So it's part of their ongoing process where any information they receive, they look into it, they investigate it, and then they ascertain whether or not it merits the search taking place. So they're going to be there for today. The search has started, so it remains to be seen how long it's going to last for.
Well, it's just interesting that this is based on information that they are receiving, which tells us again that these are very active cases still, aren't they?
Yeah, very active and ongoing. And I spoke to Deirdre Jacob's father, Michael, just last year, and he was saying that he was very happy and satisfied with the ongoing Garda investigation that's being led by the Serious Crime Review Team, and obviously investigators in Kildare are also involved. So he was satisfied that there was a lot of information that the Gardaí were going through, and he was hopeful that this year that there would be more searches, and indeed this is what's happened. So it is welcome news for the families.
Mm-hmm. And the previous searches, have they always said, because we read into the statement so carefully from the Gardaí, have there been searches, joint searches in the past, Stephen, do you know?
No, well, the last one in 2024 was for Deirdre Jacob, and that was in the Wicklow-Kildare border as well, but that was just primarily dealing with the Jojo Dullard case, and for Deirdre Jacob as well. And in the past there have been separate searches, but this is the first time that I think we've seen that, when you do have a press release coming out from the Garda Press Office confirming that, there is a search taking place, but it is in relation to, the murders and disappearance of Jojo and Deirdre Jacob. So it's quite unusual, and it's definitely something that hasn't happened before. Each case and the investigation have been separate, but now on this occasion it appears that it's a joint effort in relation to the two cases.
And these cases have remained complete mystery since they happened. Jojo Dullard disappeared, didn't she, in 1995?
95.
And Deirdre Jacob then was July 1998.
Yeah, it's been a very long process for the families, Claire, that they've really maintained a high level of dignity and perseverance as well, and that they've made numerous appeals over the years. There have been previous searches in the past, so many lines of inquiry followed by Gardaí, or an arrest was made in 2024 in relation to Jojo Dullard, but unfortunately the Gardaí have been unable to ascertain what happened to the two women, but the investigations do remain very active and ongoing.
Okay, and a Garda confidential line, which the guards remind us about, because clearly they are still getting new information on both of the disappearances, is 1800 666 111. Have the disappearances ever been officially linked, Stephen?
No, they've never been linked in the past. Gardaí will always say that they are looking at different theories. They have identified different persons of interest in both cases. They have examined many lines of inquiry, but this is definitely the first time where they have been linking the two cases together in terms of a search. And they just always maintain that they're keeping an open mind on the investigations, and the hope is that there are people out there in the community who do have information, and and despite the passage of time, they're still hopeful that information can lead to some fresh developments, and that's what we've seen today, where they've received specific information and it has led to a search being identified and taking place.
Stephen, there have been previous searches, and there was one on the Kildare-Wicklow border in an area called Usk Little, wasn't there? That was a couple of years ago, around 4 years ago, which yielded nothing. Is this in the same area, or is Baltinglass further along that border?
It's not too far from that area, but it's quite similar. And the Garda press release shows exact details of where people are banned from flying drones over this specific site. So it's still within that Kildare-Wicklow border, but not too far away. So it's still the focus of the investigation is that area. So, but this is a different part that will be searched now today. Okay,
and we will bring our listeners any information as it comes to us. Stephen, thanks very much for bringing us up to speed with that breaking story this morning that the Gardaí are carrying carrying out a joint search now in the investigation, the ongoing investigation into the disappearance of both Jojo Dullard and Deirdre Jacob. Families have been kept informed, the Gardaí say. They are still searching for information and, as we've seen this morning, acting on it.